Everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel your Shopify app subscription in 2025. Now, step 1 is to access your Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify store's admin panel. Then step 2 is navigate to apps. In the left hand sidebar, click on apps and sales channels. Step 3, select the app to cancel. Find the app you wish to cancel from your list of installed apps. Step 4, uninstall the app. You just need to click on the app and select delete or uninstall at the bottom of the page. Step 5, confirm installation. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation. Confirm the installation to proceed. Note, uninstalling the app will typically cancel the subscription. However, if the app has external billing arrangements, you may need to cancel directly with the app developer. Now, considerations before canceling the billing cycle. Understand the app's billing cycle to know when the cancellation will take effect. And some apps may retain your data for a period after cancellation. Check the app's privacy policy or contact the developer for specifics. If you typically reinstall an app, you can typically restore an app you previously cancelled. However, be aware that you may lose any data or configuration from the initial installations. And for apps with external billing, you need to cancel directly through the app developer or the billing platform they use. Shopify's admin dashboard won't control these subscriptions. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.